Ain't that thick. Not that thick. All this stuff on top doesn't even count as ice. See, like all this doesn't count. See this? So from there to there, only about 4.5 inches. But really, how much of that's even cloudy? From there to there's cloud. So really, you only got right there. Oh shit!
What?
You only got that much good ice.
Thank God, at least there's some cloudy on top.
Yeah, that cloudy's not good shit though. There's only like 2 inches of good ice there. Well, guys, we're at a different lake, and I don't know why, because we're not far away from other lakes, but the ice is pretty shitty. There's other people out here though, but doubt you guys can even see. There's like, at first, if you don't know what the hell you're looking for, it looks like there's like 5, 6, 7 inches of ice, but you got about 2.5 inches of complete shit that's just snow, and then you got another 2 inches of pretty cloudy ice that's kind of hard. Then you have like 2 inches of good ice under that. So, I mean, really, if you don't know what you're looking for, that looks good, but there's legit maybe only 3 inches of good ice here. So it's a little sketchy, especially when you weigh like 260.
Yeah, with a 210-pound man next to you.
But f it, we're gonna send it. Look at all this damn snow. We've gotten like 3 feet of snow. It just keeps like packing down and choking the ice. All right, guys, getting the tip up set. Got one right there. Take another one over here. I told you they're big. I told you. I told you. I done told you. This is where I hammered them 2 years ago, and they're all like that size or bigger. That's not bad, dude. Oh. Oh. Oh, dude. That felt big. Tip up. It ain't spinning. Oh, yeah. Oh, he dropped it already. Huh? He dropped it already. Oh, wait, no. I think I got him. I got him. No, he's not too big.
Big bluegill?
No, he's not a bluegill. Hey! Little bass.
Nice.
Hell yeah, dude. Something. Ah, tip up bass.
Tip up bass.
Nothing crazy, but it's a fish, and there's hopefully bigger ones. Take it. There, bud. Yeah, you got it figured out. Come on. There he goes. Nice if it was bigger, but hey.
You got 5 inches, I think 5 inches of ice, but
It's like not good though.
No. If you want to really see something interesting, go to the Winnie Derby.
Okay.
It's the biggest ice fishing derby in the country, and it's up in New Hampshire.
Okay.
It was last weekend.
Yeah.
It's always in February.
Okay.
Just providing they get ice.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
All right, I'll let you do it.
Yep. Yeah, I'll come down and talk to you guys. So it's those two guys right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll come say what's up.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, man. Wes.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
I watch all your videos.
Sweet, man. Hell yeah. That's a nice one there, dude. Hell yeah.
I watched the video on my phone once. Now they pop up when you have new ones.
Well, that's good. At least I know that the algorithm's working a little bit. That's a nice one, man. Actually, that was fun. Hell yeah. Swedish pimple, huh?
I couldn't catch any on the smaller one.
Really? Interesting. Oh, we're gonna try and catch some fish.
Yeah, I don't want to hold you guys up.
Yeah, what was your name again?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
And your name was Wes?
Yep.
Good to meet you guys.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Hammer, man.
Yeah, I was surprised to see you here.
What was your
I'm
name?
Dad Bill.
Bill? Joe. Come on. Good to meet you, man. Yeah, thanks for coming over and talking to us. Good luck. In the shanty. I don't know. We just like plopped her up. We thought this was gonna be a good spot, but
We didn't investigate shit.
it's like the third time though in the last like week that I've been recognized from YouTube. Wonder if we should be jigging spoons. I don't think we put the shanty in the right spot. We did mark a couple fish. Should I try something else? I kind of want to try spoon. There's so many fish down there right now.
Did you just get waxed? Big ass bluegill.
God.
Oh, we found out what it is.
Guy freaking hammer. I can't believe it's been.
Hold for the views.
How have those been gills the whole time?
I don't think they've been gills the whole time.
And he hammered it too. It's a really weird looking gill. It's like really yellow.
Cold.
Right there in your hole.
Oh, shoot. Motherless.
That was on a red worm, dude. Like, I don't even use these for ice fishing, but old Cabela's was out of everything. Dude, look at... I was gonna say, look at that screen, dude. We got her. Another big gill.
Big gill.
Whew.
That's a big one.
Can't believe they're that finicky, dude. It's not a bad one. I don't know. We might go look for trout. That's a pretty healthy gill, though. I mean, you could eat that guy.
What are you throwing in my hole?
Because it's funny. Catching some fish in here, dude. Oh, look at all of them, dude. I got them fired up. They're fired up right now.
I'm trying.
Why is it raining? The roads are going to be terrible. Like, it's raining right now.
Why are we still here?
How does it rain when it's below freezing is what I want to know. They're getting fired up, boys.
I'm getting fired up, boys.
That's going to happen right here.
Sheesh.
You didn't even want to believe that was a gill.
Yeah, didn't feel like one.
It was a big old gill.
Big old gill.
I could fillet him up.
Your call. You say
Put
so.
him up, lay him down real quick. Let me see what he looks like. It's a good sized gill, dude. Let me see that guy.
I don't think he's big enough to eat.
He's big enough to eat. We're hammering the freaking gills right now. Mark finally got one in the shanty.
Oh, I got
It's a shanty.
Shanty gill.
Shanty dandy.
Shanty dandy.
Alright, well, here, let him go.
Yeet.
Ready?
Yeet.
Oh! Sorry, buddy. I just got hammered right before that. Tim on the phone. Things are happening. Raining out. It's going to turn the freezing rain. It's going to be a miserable drive home. We're probably going to die.
In my new truck. Oh, God. You stabbed me in the face with your rod.
But I'm out of here. That sounded gay. I got to make this freaking content out of here. What happened to you? Bro, you good? Like, you didn't get a COVID test? What's happening?
So it's my hoodie.
There's like, this isn't even like the prime spot for these gills, but we're just too lazy to move the shanty. Like we're catching them here, but it's obvious that they're coming from somewhere nearby because they're not staying here. One of us is about to get hammered.
Me?
I knew one of us was going to get hammered. Like, I watched you yank him up.
Oh, that's a trout.
That's
bass.
a bass, bro.
Bass time.
Hell yeah. Pouring out, dude. What is going on? It's 30 degrees.
Dude, ice shanty
That was pretty
monster.
cool, that, dude. I knew it. I called it. So one of us is going to get hammered. I got another fish on me right now, too.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. You got me. You got me. You got me.
I got you with what? No, dude. Huh? That was big, too. That pole's gone. The most finicky gills I've ever seen. Oh, he jumped, dude. He jumped right back out. Like, what the hell? He didn't even want to go.
You don't want to go back?
He literally jumped out as soon as he hit the water. Dude, this rain is not good. What do you got?
I don't know.
Bass.
Big old
Good
bass.
bass.
Nice bass.
What the hell? That's funny.
Oh, he just spit it.
That's not a bad one, dude. He didn't get away.
He's gonna get away.
Not bad, dude. I got there to check on the tip up and you hammer a bass. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's pissed. There he goes. What the hell's that right
Fish?
there?
Was he suspended up a little?
Yeah, he's like, really, that's gotta be a trout.
Did you get him?
Yep.
Big old gill.
Jesus, what was he doing suspended like that? He freaking inhaled it. He was suspended, like, that's crazy to me that he was, look how hard he inhaled that. It's getting dark. That dude absolutely inhaled it. Like, it's so weird because these fish have been so finicky. And we saw that mark that was like, freaking, he was in like 6 feet of water.
Right?
He was in 6 feet.
Right here.
Yeah, he was in 6 feet. Absolutely freaking choked it. Like, I'm gonna need freaking force grips for this guy. Look at that. Absolutely choked it. That was gonna be a trout because he was so suspended. Pretty good size gill though. Probably get out of here since we're in a damn ice storm. Got another hit on this. Look at this. This is just covered in ice, guys. Like, and I just had a fish hit this. Getting ready to leave. These roads are gonna be terrible. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. That's just covered in freaking ice. I need to probably get out of here. Really worried about these roads. These roads are gonna be bad. Yep, I think it's time to go. This rain is, I mean, it's outrageous. And it's dark in here right now, so you guys can't even see anything. But yeah, I mean, it's been raining for the past, I don't know, hour and a half. And it's below freezing, so that's not good. Everything's gonna be a sheet of ice. This is probably gonna be pretty bad. probably gonna be pretty bad. I don't know if you guys can see all that. Not gonna be good. Yeah, that shit. Not gonna be good, boys.